Welcome to Tiger Carpenter. Today we have a restoration project or repair of a really badly damaged table, which you can see here. It's been whacked really badly. I suspect that's the leg for here. So I'm going to start with this leg, and the plan is to fill the gaps with the epoxy. There is a nail here. Okay. Okay. I'm using automotive tape, which is very similar in the properties to the painter's tape, so I believe it's a little bit better. So that's how it looks here and here. So now I'm going to tighten it with the string so that it doesn't drop. So let's make a loop. Okay, so the loop goes on the screw. Okay, so now I'm mixing the epoxy 3:1 weight ratio. I've got here about 60 grams of epoxy resin. I'm going to mix it or stir it for 3 minutes, and then I will add some dye, black and brown color, so that the edges would be matching the wood. Okay, I have added dye which is also a good way to know whether your mix has been thoroughly mixed. As you can see here, the dye is sticking to the walls, so I will keep stirring it until the coloring is evenly distributed. Then I will know that the epoxy resin has been mixed properly. Okay, so it's time to pour it. I purposely prepared only 60 grams just in case there is a leak or it's not working. I will not lose too much. I will apply this one first. Using the capillary force of the stick. I'm just filling the gaps first. Let me check. So far so good. I prefer to do it slowly rather than whacking it in and finding out we have a leak. I also checked for 90 degrees between these two legs, so it gives me a good idea about position of this leg. Well, I'm also learning. Hopefully this method works and hopefully it will be holding the leg well. Okay, let's have a look. Now I poured 60 grams of epoxy and the level is not going down, it's holding up. So I believe it should be watertight. So I'm going to wait another 10 minutes and then I will fill it up full with the epoxy. I think we need another 40 grams. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Plasticine all the way at the bottom as well. So far there is no leak. Since I still have some epoxy left, I'm going to cover the bottom foot of the leg. That also tells me that we are leveled. Okay, so it's been almost 24 hours. Let's remove the tape. This is the plasticine. I'm trying to recover the Play-Doh or plasticine so I can use it again. Okay, so here's the glue up line. It looks really good. After the cleanup, you won't be able to tell it's been glued. So I'm very happy with that. Okay, and now I'm going to start sealing the leg number 3. I will leave the worst to be the last one, so I have 3 stable legs before I can attack the final one. Now we have the remaining leg. This is in a very bad condition. So we've got this piece now, and now we need to cut this one. So we make a loop here. Now there is another screw here. Okay. Here is our wood. The epoxy resin is fully cured by now. All right, it actually looks quite good. So I'm going to sand it a little bit, and here is how it looks at the bottom of the table. It looks like very nice lake which leveled itself. It's going to be very, very strong. So let's test the strength of the table. I'm going to stand on it. Okay. It can hold me, and it's not making any sound. So it's a success. Yeah. Now I'm going to sand it. Now I'm going to grab my favorite finish, which is boiled linseed oil. Brings the life back to this table. Look at that baby. Even the epoxy resin looks really like wood. I have to say I'm very happy with how it turned out. Look at this table. Okay, I'm going to add some more boiled linseed oil. It looks almost like new. I'm very, very satisfied. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Tiger Carpenter, and I see you again in the next video. Bye bye.